ang mga kandila. Ikaw, Jesus, ang liwanag na nagbigay tanglaw sa aming kaisipan upang kami magkaroon ng karunungan. Tanggapin po ang mga kandila na nagsisilbing presensya ng iyong banal na Espiritu. Ang mga kagamitan sa eskwela, lapis, ballpen, notebook, porte, na aming naging kasuotan, simbolo ng paaralan upang kami ay matuto at magkaroon ng karunungan. Ang mga medalya at sertifiko, ikaw ang Diyos na karunungan na sa amin ang kaloob ng mga talento at karisma. Tanggapin mo po, Panginoon, ang simbolo ng aming mga tagumpay, maging instrumento nawa ito upang ikay aming maipakilala sa anumang aspeto ng aming buhay.
The next day.
Zoe Isabel Manalo, Bronze Awardee. From grade 5, Declamation category, Ariana A. Villanueva.
Reverend Father Neris Ligilan, our school principal, Mrs. Tina C. Isquera, our class advisor, Mrs. Marie Bicmapa, our distinguished guest speaker, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Thank you for coming and making our moving up exercises and graduation ceremony possible. First of all, congratulations to everyone who are celebrating with us today. Despite of many challenges that we have faced, we made it. We are so happy for these first big milestones in our young lives. Once again, on behalf of the MPS Kindergarten pupils, I am proud to welcome you to our moving up and graduation ceremony. Thank you very much.
Infante Ashley M. Ito Kyla Isabel. In acknowledgement of her continuous manifestation of being motivated, determined, and hardworking in the final quarter of the school year 2023-2024. Extra Minor Award, Kyla Isabel Ito. Extra Minor Award is given to a kinder pupil in recognition of her remarkable and continuous effort in doing and achieving something above what is expected in the final quarter of the school year 2023.